Hello everyone.
Tumisho Masha and Duduzile Zuma involved in a fiery exchange of clapbacks no one saw coming. While it's no secret that former President Jacob Zuma's daughter, Duduzile Zuma is her father's ride or die and is always ready to defend him online. This is most likely why actor Tumisho Masha poked the bear when he retweeted a video from Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi's funeral in Ulundi on Saturday, where President Cyril Ramaphosa was seen greeting other political leaders. Tumisho wrote, "When the headmaster walks in, the naughty boys want to laugh and smile with him. We see you. Where's Dudu now to witness her dad smiling and laughing with the real president of South Africa?" The political enemies were under one roof and temporarily put aside their differences to mourn and say last goodbyes to the late traditional prime minister. In the clip, they can all be seen happy and embracing each other. Zuma and Ramaphosa were all smiles as they hugged and joked with each other at the funeral. Duduzile didn't mince any words and responded to the former generation actor, reminding him to look at his own house, posting an article from 2016 relating to him being accused of domestic violence. She then tweeted, "We see you just like we saw and heard that your clown is not welcome in KZN, but my dad got the biggest roaring welcome." Tumisho Masha hit back at Jacob Zuma's daughter by telling her that he wouldn't stoop to her level and that if she got tired of being her father's cheerleader, she must hit him up. He responded and said, "I won't descend to your level, but I believe the people have spoken in your replies. Have a great week ahead and let me know if you need help with a real job other than being your daddy's cheerleader. Losing court battles every week must be exhausting." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.